What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to use the WordPress general settings. So this is a beginner guide from our WordPress website, beginners, okay, in order to set up, understand, change and customize the WordPress general settings. This are a list of one of the very first things you most do into your WordPress website when you are starting a new website, okay? So before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is access your WordPress dashboard. Normally some hosts let you access the WordPress dashboard, login on WordPress dashboard from the host panel like Bluehost for example, but normally it's yourdomain.com, yourdomain.net/wp-admin, as you can see into my browser tab right here, into the upper left side of my screen, or WP login. You're gonna log in to your account using the user and password you created when you first installed WordPress and access to this page. Review the left sidebar of menus on this page. These menus can change according to the theme that you are using, the plugins you have active on your site, but you always gonna have the settings menu. If you do not see, just scroll the page down a little bit so you can see all of the left sidebar menus. Hover your mouse over settings and click on general, okay? And here you can change a couple of important things to your site. Let me apply some zoom. The very first thing on general settings is the site title. This is truly important for SEO purposes, okay? Because normally your site gonna be the page title, for example, about, plus the site title, about / your website title, in this case Visual Modo Sandbox, okay? So the tagline it's a few words to explain what this site is about. It's almost like your business slogan, okay? It's also important for SEO purposes, okay? So please do change this from just another WordPress website to something more about your business. Then we have the WordPress address URL and the site address URL. This normally it's the same links, okay? Please do not change this if you are not a developer, if you do not know what you are talking exactly, okay? So leave as it is, because it can potentially create a lot of problems to your site. So normally it's the same links right here, nothing to don't worry about it. Now this is the super admin address, okay? So the email address of the website owner, the website administrator. It's almost like the website owner email contact. This is really important because if something happens to your WordPress, the WordPress is gonna try to send emails up for this contact right here, okay? So make sure that you have access to the email that is placed right here. Then if you are running a store, a membership website, a site that is gonna have accounts, persons using, persons doing logins, you must enable this option. Anyone can register, okay? Because most of the site you need to create an user for persons, okay? So if you set this, persons gonna be able to register in order to purchase our products in the case you are running an e-commerce, for example. So make sure you select this option right here. Then new user default rules, okay? If someone registered to your site according to the form that they use, they're gonna be, for example, a customer, a subscriber, a contributor, an author, an editor, the shop manager. These options right here may change according to the plugins you are using, but normally you're gonna be set this as subscriber, okay? So nothing to change. You can be customer for as well. But please do not let persons that register to be the website administrator, because they can control your site basically, okay? So just keep this as subscriber and nothing much to worry about. Then we have the site language. We can change the WordPress entire backend language right here for any of those languages right here. WordPress, it's really good translated, they have a big community, okay? So in the case that you want to change your language, you can do this right here. Now we have the time zones. We have a lot of time zones right here. Choose the best one for you. WordPress is gonna try to find the best one for you. but it changes according to your needs. Then we have the data format, for example, month, day, and year. Or we have year, month, and date, okay, and day. So we have options right here. We can even set custom in order to change it. We have time format, okay, and options to edit this, and the week starts on Monday. This is good for scheduling your posts, okay, for programming the posts for publication, okay. So normally for WordPress, for all the WordPress installation, the weeks start on Monday, but it can change according to you, so make sure you choose the best option for you. After change made, hit the save change button and you're gonna be all set, okay. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Moreover, in the case that you want to use the best free WordPress theme on the planet, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Anzu WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. You're gonna be amazed about how many features this theme offers for free. Moreover, in the case that you want to have a blog, to receive guest posts, to publish guest posts, you want to connect with a big blogging community, to network, and want to list your site right here, like all of those bloggers already did it, just go to growth3ws.net, submit your site, it's completely free, and you're gonna be connecting with nice people, okay? Moreover, and as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium, in order to use our WordPress themes, plugins, and templates, unlock access to our full templates library that are pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and make your site look like of any of those websites very, very fast. Unlock access to our support, premium icons, premium templates, blocks, and many, many more pro features. Just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go premium. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.